you'll be on target, around in the chamber, an empty magazine. On the time, you'll fire the shot, perform the emergency reload, fire the shot. It's 3, 2, 5. It is measured from shot to shot, not beep to second shot. The first shot is free. Hit it. It doesn't matter if it goes beep, pow, because that's when the time starts. I'm always amazed at how many people beep, pow, and you miss it. It's shot to shot, not beep to second shot. So get the first hit, it's free for you. You're going to simulate a stovepipe. You're going to be on target. At the beep, you're going to press the trigger, do the tap rack, get a hit. It's 2 seconds. 2 seconds. If you want to roll it over this way and pull on it because that's the way you're used to doing it, have at it. Cool. Then we're going to set up the double feed. You're going to do the tap rack because that's your diagnostic, right? That tells you got the double feed. Unload, reload the pistol, get the shot on target. You got 6 seconds.
So we'll need a dummy round for this?
Yeah, you'll need the dummy round. Take the dummy round with you. I mean, you can use an empty cartridge case, but I wouldn't. Okay. I'd put a dummy round in. Everybody clear on that?
If you need one, wait, I got one. Yeah, I'm under the top.
We'll have relay 1 up on the line. Darren and Bucky are going to be working their way down towards the center, doing it 1 at a time. You get 2 attempts. If you don't get the standard on the third, well, give me another try. No, 2 attempps. We got to keep going.
All right, ready, position, 1 shot on 1 target.
Yeah, go ahead. Draw to your ready position. So shoot. Here we go. Ready position. This is for you. Watch your target. You get his hit? No. No. Put a scratch. Here we go. Watch your target.
You only take the second attempt if you fail.
152. You got it.
152.
Yep.
Good job, man.
Good recovery.
Go ahead. Draw it to ready position, your choice. Okay. 149.
149.
I'm kind of like, I would like to know the time so that if I, when I go again in the future, I know, okay, I was at this, have I improved?
So luckily that goes with you.
Yep.
And I've got a detailed video on this. It's like 7 or 8 minutes long, and it's from one of his classes.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I shot this scratch before. I don't know if I still have my paper with the times and whatnot on it. But.
This is you. Ready position. Okay. This is going to be you. 4 shots in under 2 seconds. Stand by. Good hits. 320. Let's go your second time here. Let's see. Ready? Watch your target. And some misses. 424 to miss. Just give him a scratch. Nice try.
Hell yeah.
238. Let's go for your second time.
You can do this if you don't have that big gap between shot 2 and 3.
You hear that? Bam, bam. Yep. Bam, bam. Okay. Here we go. Stand by. Nope. 258.
You didn't know you were successful.
Oh, couple out. 2 flat. 2 flat. You lost the dot. Let's go second attempt. Let's go second attempt. Here we go. Give him some quiet, guys. No noise on his backswing.
I understand.
182.
Whoa.
Yeah. You got it.
Nice job,
First
Dave.
one I lost the dot.
Darren's working. I'll call you out.
241 and you dropped the first shot. Dave,
Go ahead.
second attempt. All right, are you ready?
A lot of people have asked. Here we go. Just because I'm curious and I can't stay up this late.
Watch your target. Watch your target. First attempt. Couple out and 211. Let's go second attempt. You can do this. Do this. Watch your target. This is for you.
Practicing.
I didn't see that last one.
Low.
That's low. Got it. 197. Balance of speed and accuracy.
Well, I shot 5 and I shot them all in the head.
All right, you want to try again? Second attempt. You got enough rounds?
Let's check that. Gotta work. Sure. I know.
Here we go.
Fourth one was just out.
189. You made the time.
He was ahead, you know, taking out, you know, non-stoppable.
170. Good job.
From the holster, one shot on one target.
That
In
helped.
2 seconds,
You guys doing that?
preferred 1.50. Holster, one shot on one target. Watch the target.
You know, he didn't stop at the first place, so I went for the head.
You don't screw my grip up.
Yeah. Don't look at anything else. You look at the target, and the gun bisects the visual line between your eyes and the target.
Rand, maybe I'd help you out.
Oh, yeah.
Over this way just a tad. There you go.
182. Abner probably told you what you're doing, right? From the holster, drawn fire on. Here we go. Watch your target.
Then the next one's going to be 1 round emergency reload.
Good hit. 316. Very accurate. A little slow. Let's do it again. Second attempt. Here we go. Watch him. It's only one shot, but that's a 270.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Look at Ben gave me that dirty look.
254.
Did you see that?
All right, going second attempt, okay?
Just dirty. You're a mean man, man.
Up and out.
You're a mean man.
Here we go. 194.
Nice. Got it. All right. Nice.
Finally, yes.
Reload.
160.
And that was him.
And that was it. That extra little .30.
It's almost as though if I use the sight, I'll take one off. Weird.
198. Nicely done.
Heck yeah, man.
Good job.
179.
Is he in?
Coach, you got him?
If you would have wanted to show me the 1 second draw,
Ooh, yeah.
181. Nice.
Yeah. Good job, Ben.
158.
Yeah, Mike.
Ready? Stop showing off. Here we go.
Blind squirrels find acorns.
150. Push it to the right. Get some time.
Too fast.
Pull it down.
That didn't be successful if he wasn't such a mean man.
He's put up with me all week.
Has he? Pretty good guy.
Exactly. They're great guys.
Here you go, Roy.
Good job, Ron.
From the holster.
He's been decent and everything. This is for you.
155.
Roy's my spirit animal.
Yeah, man.
Roy is my spirit animal. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. All right, coach.
Never underestimate age and treachery. On target, one shot. Emergency reload, one shot and 325. Desired of 3.
Magazine in there.
Fire one, lock back, drop it, get your next one in. Focus, hit it.
Okay. Ready? This is you. All right, you tell him what his standard is.
325.
All right, your split's 356. Let's do it again. Verify. What's that say split? Because my glasses.
356.
Okay. So that's a no. We're going to get you. Second attempt.
spotting for a guy. Like 4 in a row went down.
Okay, here we go. This is going to be for you. Watch your target.
I said, about him and him. Mine's a Beretta.
298.
Good deal.
You cleaned it up. Go ahead. All right, 414. Let's do it again.
As soon as that beep sounds, fire.
So that first one's a gimme.
Yep.
That first one's a gimme. On target. Here we go. This is you. 441. Nice.
Well, he's going to be on the line when we're so. Oh, Mike will be done. Yeah.
I'll score all you motherfuckers.
God damn it, Rand.
404. Nice try.
What was the time? Go find your shit. Find your shit. Get on the deck. If you don't have shit at the end of the day. So turn
317.
Got it.
or if you want to put.
You get it?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
What you got there, lollipop?
Lollipop.
Well, you scroll it up like a chapstick?
It's a push pop.
That's funny.
Better, see?
Oh, come on. Was there a spring on it?
Yeah, see?
Oh, that's funny.
Cool.
I don't care because you're measuring.
I was wondering why you did that.
317.
Thank you.
But we can have the slack out on the trigger for this one, right?
Yeah, you're measuring the reload time, not the
Okay.
time from the first.
Yeah.
$334. Let's do it again, second attempt. $345. Nice try, Ninja.
And that's from on target. You coaches taking care of the guys, getting them set up for the next.
I got my dummy.
Are you good
All right. Your time was good, 319, but you pushed that second shot. There you go, 297.
Those bullets almost touched one another. Good job.
Am I good?
First attempt, Watch your target. I didn't see the hits. It's 345. 345. Let's do it again.
The time might be off.
I don't know how well his is calibrated.
Nice.
307. Good deal. You got it. Watch your target. 298. Good job.
Nice job, man.
All right,
like he's
coaches,
done
put
this
your
before.
feet up. Hopefully they got their shit set up. Ready position, your choice. Coach will tell you what your par is. 1 second. Watch your target. Watch his target. I'm watching the time. You get it?
Yep.
0.83. Write it down.
What's my next one?
Go ahead.
Ready position, 4 shots, 1 target.
2 second par. Here we go. This is you. .216, 1 slightly out. Second attempt. Here we go. Watch your target.
Oh,
215, 2 out.
thank you.
Nice try. It's your quick draw. Watch your target. Stand by. Oh, dead center in the heart, 178. Good job. Hell yeah.
Go, Abner.
Way to go.
What's the next one?
Okay. Here we go.
Good
Yeah.
175.
Nice.
Heck yeah. On target's how it's going to start. Shoot one, reload, shoot one. Stand by, this is you. Coaches, watch the paper. 341. Good hits, a little slow. Second attempt. Stand by.
Good hits.
There we go, 283.
Good hits.
Good job.
Nice job, Abner.
Thank you, sir. All right, on target's when it's going to happen. Tap racket, get a shot off. Here we go. 185.
They're perfect because you can just close them up, put them away.
I love that she hasn't fully evaluated it. How often she keeps them. She hasn't fully analyzed.
Do like a candy review. I've seen people do like food reviews, like fast food reviews.
You know, for as much as she likes candy, she has very nice, clean white tea.
181, nicely done.
It's almost like he knows what he's doing. Dan the man.
I loaded a heavy bag and
Good job, Lollipop.
And the time again? That's 2
196, right?
times for me in the time. Good job, Penelope.
Good job, Lollipop.
Being a good girl.
Wee! Always throw a wee in at the end of your laugh, and it starts a whole nother laugh. Try it. That's with gusto. Wee!
You're right. I can feel it.
That's right.
Start down here with.
A whole new laugh.
Target on target. Discover your double feed.
All right, one in the chamber. Rounds in the mag.
Here we go. On target. Watch him. Coaches, watch the paper. Good hit. 464. Good job. Good hit. 464. Good job. Oh, you.
The key to this one is recognizing that it's a mushy slide, because I used to overthink it. It's about the mushy slide. If you know your gun, the second you pull it, if it doesn't go home, then you automatically know what it is. And there's only one malfunction that does this. It's the double feed.
440.
Ooh, yeah.
Good time too, man. That's a really good time.
Right in front of your left foot.
Nice job.
Well, it was in front of your left foot.
Just put a 2x2 on everybody's target and just go down the line. That way you don't have to take it.
All right, 691. 631. I think if he hadn't done that second tap, he could have.
Here we go. On target.
But good hit.
UPS got my route. I need to get the finger in there. I like it. You know, you got to be better than UPS, man. You know that, right? Well, you know.
670.
We are better than UPS.
Hi.
We'll try.
We get to it now? Just one? That's good.
That's hit.
457. Nicely done.
All right, here we go. On target. What's going to happen? Second set of eyes.
I lost my ass.
That was good. That was good.